Hello, darling, and welcome to my channel. This is Planning with Toya Bee, and I'm Latoya. Here we talk about planning from the page and bringing it to real life. If this is something that might interest you, hit that subscribe button as I would love to have you be a part of the fam. Then click that notification bell so you know when the next time I upload. Now let's get started.
Okay, you guys, so first we're going to go over the kits itself. So this is 316. This is the sampler right here. This is what I mainly use for the whole dashboard layout. And this is DD4C, and I'm going to put it in that corner there. And then all of my quotes and whatnot are going there. And then this is AO7, which is the sidebar. And this is AO3, the individual headers. Now these are two different greens, but they don't quite match. So I don't remember if I used either one of these. I was still making up my mind about it. Then there's the ombre checklist, that's AO8, and then this is AO9, the events. Now this has different little anecdotes in it, like clean your car and happy birthday, which is why we're even doing this layout this week. It's because it's my son's 5th birthday. So let me tell you about the tools. I use a ruler, scissors, tweezers, Flex-On pen, which I'm obsessed with, y'all, and then some flare pens from Pilot, and I'm also going to use a Mylar pen and another Flex-On pen. I guess I'll use all that green since it's St. Patrick's Day, but more so because it's my baby's birthday and the family color for him is green. Now I'm gonna zoom in. You can go from one end to the other, it will fit, but I found when I was trying to save money, y'all, that if I went from one end of the box to the other, you have some left over to put up here and there. So I need to grab my whiteout real quick, but it also doesn't mess up the ends where the disc is. Dadgummit. Hold on, y'all. My kids done tried to mess up this doggone whiteout. Let me see. No, it ain't gonna work. Let me just grab this other one. They think it's fun to pull it. Okay, so you can then put in the whiteout. Now that DD thing I was using, it's gonna cover up that bottom dot there, so I'm just gonna white it out. And then for those people who are new to planning, I white out the things I'm not using, and I'm gonna go down 4 because it helps, because some of these stickers are light and so you just see it shine through and you don't necessarily want that. So white out is your friend. Now watch this. Ooh, it just erased. Love that. I actually got these pens from Squad Plan or Squatter Plan. I'll put her information below, but she uses these, and that's how I found out about them. So see, I ripped that. These are thin washies that I use later on another layout, but I'm gonna put this one at the top. But it was a little crooked, y'all, and I have a pet peeve about stuff being crooked. Oh my gosh. So now I am going to pull out, I'm not going to use the happy birthday. I'm going to use that on my hourly planner. So I'm going to get these 2 sidebars. I'm going to put one right here in this corner, and then that upper corner right under March, I'm going to put the other one, and that's going to give me some symmetry. See how that stuck out? So and put the white out over it, and boom, gone. Don't even see it. Can't even see the white out. So now I'm going to get my little headers. And I love these headers because they're just straight lines and they're two-toned. So if you need something even smaller than that, you can just use the ruler and snap it smaller. But I told y'all I can't stand crooked. It drives me bonkers. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my flag for the top of this one. And I'm gonna get that Monday through Sunday list. And then I'm gonna get another one and put it right there, because I do calls. Should have been doing it before Corona, but I didn't do it nearly as much as after Corona. So I call and check on family. Now from the sidebar, I pulled that off, but I was about to mess up, because in my previous week, I use this DD, which stands for Daily Duo, and I loved it. So see, 1, 2, 3 are left. So 1, 2, 3, and that's my to call section. I kind of have squirrel moment. I call people. Now this I'm gonna put right here, and you'll know what this is in a minute. But I gotta line it up again, y'all. I told you I'm obsessed with perfection. I'm sorry. Let's just pray for me. And then I'm trying to use this, but it's just, oh God, no, that's too much. Too much. Get my black. Thank you very much. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Now I'm gonna turn it around, and then I'm gonna grab the little icon here. Come on, pick up the icon first. I was actually looking to see if there was another one in a different color, so I wasn't too heavy for one color, but I couldn't find it. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up the balloon because, like I said, it is my baby's 5th birthday, and those are the balloons. They're a part of your weekly kit. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. Now I'm going to grab the this week. And see there's the this week. I got the tracker, and I'm going to go ahead and put to call because that's what I do. I call family and friends. And then, ooh, excuse me. I clean my house, and that's my cleaning list. Now I'm going to be honest, that has evolved and changed. This is the big thing. So I'm going to put these boxes down. I apologize because when I first did it, I didn't look up to see where I was in the frame. But this section is very important to me, and so it started to irk my nerves when I realized the color was off. I couldn't take it, so I ripped them all up. Watch, I knew I pulled out the black. That's 246Q-2. So if you want the black boxes are 246-Q2, and then I put the appointment boxes on top of them. And the reason I do this is because I actually am the only female in my house. So these 3 boxes I use to identify the gentlemen in my house, my husband and my 2 sons. And this is, some people do different memory keeper, a whole book for memory keeper. I simply do this section. It reminds me to spend time with my family individually at any given time. So this is very important to me. So now I'm gonna pull out my baby's informations. So with Planner Kate, this is family time, and that is so stinking cute. So I sit that right here, and then I'm gonna pull out S113. Oh, I501. I'm sorry. And then that's R. And then I have the same thing in J, and the same thing in T. So I have one for Tim, one for Jaden, one for Rashad. So, and it's a drop down menu, so you don't have to go get anything else. It is I5101, but I'll have everything linked in the description box below, y'all. So now I have my memory keeping section done. So time to go do some more headers. So we're going to put up our Bible study right now. And I get that out the app. And I'm going to take this ruler and line it up with that center line. And I am actually going to just draw a line there because I'm trying to keep track of my weight. That is a part of my Franken planning. That whole box is actually a part of my Franken planning. So the Bible study portion goes towards my faith planner. And my dashboard used to be my catch-all, and it just became too much. And then the other section is for my weight. That's right beside of the Bible study. So now I'm just using some boxes to kind of give it a every other feel. I don't know what I was saying because my mic, I messed around, y'all. Messed up and forgot to turn on my mic. Silly me. So now I've got my don't forgets. And what I'm going to do is write down birthday planning virtually during a pandemic. So that's my big to do this week. I have got to do that. Now I'm just gonna white out the numbers, and I'm gonna use that little water Crayola pencil from my kids' water Crayola markers and write it on the desk because it'll wipe off. See that? I just licked my finger and there it goes. And then now I have the dates so I don't forget the dates. And I'm gonna go get the header. And there's the headers. Those are AO3. Those are the individual headers. And I believe AO1 is the Erin Condren 7x9, and AO2 is the plum paper. And then this is just the individuals. So for us being a dashboard community, we need the individuals. So that's why I get them. So I'm just putting my dates down. And then she has cute little numbers that goes right into those little boxes. Fits perfectly. And then I am actually thinking about doing a YouTube video on different ways you can use the remaining numbers. If that's something you would be interested in, please leave a comment below. If that's something you want to see, and I will most definitely put that in. Now I've got my 3 folks that I need to call, my inspirational quote, and now I'm actually gonna get my weigh-in sticker, which is a heart because the actual weigh-in stickers haven't come in yet. And then I'm gonna put in my tracker information. And once I find my pen, and so that's AM routine and PM routine. I need to drink more water, and then let's do my meds and my vitamins. And we have been doing really good about a family walk with the boys. So I'm just gonna make a little tracker right there for myself for that right there. Now I'm just showing you the weekend information, and I'm also gonna put these little dots here for virtual learning. My son is in virtual school in our county, and he has a secondary class he takes that is on Mondays and Fridays only. And baby, with my memory, so I have to put these in so that I can remember, because by Friday, child, I'm tired. I done forgot. So now I'm going to put in laundry, and I'm going to put on trash, and then I'm going to put on planner, and then I'm going to go grab the bath time or bath nights, and that's pretty much it. So here is March the 15th through the 21st, my baby's 5th birthday weekend. Just remember, you are exactly where you need to be today. Thank you so much for watching.